Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can utilize barcode functionality on TranZact. So suppose if you are creating a sales document, a sales invoice, how you can attach your barcode in that and how you can exit it out. So let us go to our browse modules. Please click on browse modules and then after you need to click on sales and purchase. So this is one of my invoice which I have created. I will open this particular invoice. How I can assign, I have did a transaction of needle ball for 100 quantity. Now how I can use my barcode and can show it in the system that this particular this batch have been outwarded. You need to click on other action, right hand side, very top corner. Here you will find an option of barcode. So please check, this is the quantity item and here is the barcode number. Once I select the barcode number, click on barcode number. Please check in the drop down, there are two batches. So there is one batch of 100 numbers and one batch is of 10 numbers from where this particular batch number have arrived. So it have arrived from my invert document. So once I inverted or did a production process, then at that point of time, I assigned a barcode on the same. So accordingly, I can go ahead and select it while doing an outward. Select this particular wall BQ1285 and I can go ahead and click on save. So once I clicked on save, please check the barcode is assigned in the invoice. You can very well go ahead and show it on the invoice as well by turning on the barcode from your settings module in document options. So for that, we do have a separate video that will assist you with the same. So this is how you can assign a barcode on tax invoice for an outward. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.